Welcome back. Get Well Soon is gearing up for the agitation against the BJP-led government on medium of instruction issue. Group claim that present government cheated them by giving grants to 130 dissociation society schools. Group decided to change the name of the group as Goy Rakhand Manch, but confusion is still on the word Goy or Goa. During the budget session, group has decided to hold a dharna. They have also decided to gher out BJP MLAs and to hold dharna before BBSM members.
A special meeting of Get Well Soon group was held at Panji on Saturday. Meeting was attended by Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch members Arvind Bhatikar, Prashant Naik and Nagesh Karmali. They openly supported Get Well Soon group, opposing the decision of Manor Parrikar government on medium of instruction. It was decided to change the name of the group. Goy Rakhand Manch name was suggested, but confusion is still on the word Goy or Goa.
संघटनाचे नाव मुखार आयिल्ले गोवा राखण मंच जाचे ज्या उद्दिष्टा खातीर आमी झगडले आयडेंटिटी अस्मिता ही गोय राखण मंच गोय काय गोवा गोवा राखण मंच कितें म्हणत गोय राखण मंच गोवा राखण मंच दोनूय तुमकां जाय मराठीन जावंक जायना अशें ना त्या खातीर गोंय किंवा गोवा कित्याक आज पयलीच बसका आशिल्ली त्या खातीर उत्स्फूर्तपणान नांव आयलें गोवा राखण मंच किंवा गोंय राखण मंच.
On the first day of budget session, group has decided to hold dharna at Panji. They have also decided to gher out BJP MLAs and to hold dharna before Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch member Shashikala Kakodkar, Subhash Velinkar and others.
18 मार्च जेन्ना आमचें बजेट अधिवेशन सुरू जातलें सत्र सुरू जातलें तेन्ना आमी धरणे धरतले आनी हें अधिवेशन जो मेरेन चालू उरता तो मेरेन ह्या अधिवेशनान प्रत्येक आमदाराक मंत्र्याक आनी भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाच्या नेत्याक आपली भूमिका स्पष्ट करची पडटली.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Sushant Par.
Our law says that getting consent to make physical relation on the basis of giving false promise to marry will amount to rape. But the High Court of Bombay at Goa, rejecting a petition filed by the state government, cleared that timing of promise and rejection to marry must be taken into account while deciding such cases of rape allegations.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa, disposing of the petition, upheld trial court's judgment to acquit the rape accused. The accused person was residing near the house of the girl. The girl was 20 years old and according to the prosecution, the accused gave false promise of marrying to that girl, and on the basis of the said assurance, she permitted him to have physical relation. The girl became pregnant and one day before her delivery, she informed this fact to her mother, who then filed the complaint of rape. The trial court in its judgment explained that the girl had knowledge that the person is married well before making physical relation, and hence it cannot be said that it was rape. The High Court rejected state government's petition challenging trial court's order on also an additional new fact that the girl is now happily married and the respondent person does not stay near the vicinity where the girl now stays. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
A mentally challenged person on Saturday attacked police constables in Vasco. The police constables had arrested the mentally challenged person on a complaint by the Vasco residents. He turned violent when police were taking the person to admit in IPHP at Bamboling. But the person attacked the police when they pushed him into the police van.
On Saturday, a mentally challenged person was caught on camera while hitting some police constables. Have a look. After a police complaint by the residents of Vasco, Murmugaon police arrested the unknown person. The residents complained that the person used to hit any passer with stones. Immediately, he was arrested. After knowing that the person was mentally challenged, the police sought permission from the court to admit him in IPHP. But suddenly, the person turned violent and attacked the police at JMFC in Vasco. Sources informed that the person once again attacked the constables while they were taking the person to IPHP. Reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
The signboards erected by the Marmugao municipality are lying unattended. The signboards are lying in a dilapidated state. Some signboards are not visible, paint of some boards is worn off, whereas some are broken, leaving rest with mixing text. People visiting Vasco area face difficulty in finding places and knowing proper directions. Reporter Surendra Madkaikar reports.
Have a look at these signboards. These signboards have no text painted on it. For some, paint has washed off, making it look ugly. Few signboards along the road have collapsed. These signboards were erected by the Mormugaon municipality long years ago. They are lying unattended.
लोक समाज येयलो जाल्यार ते कितें ते कांयच कळना. तेका लागून हांव कितें म्हणटा ते मेंटेनन्स केला ते तेणी प्रॉपर प्लेसींग करपाचें आनी ते फुटपाथ्यान जो कोण लोक चलता तांकां बरे भशेन चलपाक दिवपाचें आनी हांव मागता तेंचे कडेन की ते सारके प्रॉपर प्लेसीस घालपाचे आनी तो कलर मारपाचो तेचेर हेडिंग बिडिंग कितें आहा ते सारके बरोवपाचें.
Tourists and visitors to Vasco face trouble in finding places. Some of the signboards obstruct the footpaths, but the authorities have turned a blind eye to this crucial aspect.
मुरगांव नगरपालिका एक तर काढून याच्या जाग्यार दुसरे घालतले काय कितें आनी आतांच्या नवीन आधुनिक बोर्ड लायतले काय कितें. वास्कोच्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकईकर.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.